This is the multiform misanthropist once again. Hallelujah, baby. Hallelujah. Thanks. Thanks maybe to the universe, to the cosmos, to the fabric of space-time, to superstring theory, to whatever, phenomena. The rain didn't fall by the time I do my morning walk, so I could do my morning walk today. So I feel so much, I would say, happy because the endorphin, the serotonin, and the dopamine are like, whoa, activated in my brain, And now having my coffee and smoking my tobacco, I get even more happier, Happier. I'm the happiest man on the face of the entire planet Earth. Oh yes. And I'm recording this video here on the Cheese app on Ubuntu 24.04 with my FaceTime HD camera enabled on Linux. Oh yes, baby. I would say that walking or running or any type of exercise is addictive. Because when you do exercise, your brain fires endorphin, dopamine, and serotonin. And those are the hormones, the neurotransmitters that gives you pleasure, relieves you pain, relieves you anxiety, stress, lowers the cortisol in your brain, and gives you the reward sensation, of pleasure, So doing exercise on a daily basis is very addictive, but it's a good addiction. Like smoking, for example. Smoking, for example, is a good addiction. Well, man, I don't know. Albert Einstein used to be a smoker. He smoked that pipe all the time, and he proposed in 1905 the special theory of relativity. And then in 1915, he proposed the general theory of relativity. And those theories were proved here in Brazil, in Sobral, during an eclipse, a solar eclipse. The curvature of space-time was really observable during an eclipse here in Sobral and in Africa. So great men throughout history smoked tobacco, pipe, especially philosophers. Bertrand Russell, Sartre, who else? Albert Einstein, and so many others. Also the astronomer, the American astronomer Edwin Hubble. He used to smoke pipe. So many great men throughout history smoke tobacco. All right. And I am a great man in history, man. You may not recognize me as such, but I am. I am one of the greatest men throughout history, and I'm still alive. Be thankful. Be thankful that I'm here to tell you, man, that there is a flying saucer in this block here. Goddamn fuck. I will repeat that to you until your fucking ears get unclogged. And your brain understands that we are not alone in the universe. We have companion, and they are so much more advanced than ourselves. I'm feeling so good today, man. I feel energized. Man. I feel like, whoa, I feel like this coffee is like, let me see. it tastes like coffee, but also it tastes like happiness, you know? It tastes like misanthropia, you know? I express my hatred toward mankind through my love. Through my love and my will to change this fucked up world to a better place, you know? Where people will work 5 hours a day, maybe less, because now we may set the artificial intelligence to work for us, you know. Man, let artificial intelligence work in the fields, in the factories, producing our clothing, our food, doing the heavy duty jobs, and we humans will spend time studying, doing artistic works, you know, enjoying life, having sex. Oh, baby, oh yes, suck me, blow me. And you know, because man, we there comes to a point where my conclusion about the economic, political, societal model for mankind is that artificial intelligence do all the hard work, humans spend their times doing whatever pleases them, you know, and we will through science discover, through genetic engineering discover the healing process to death, because death is a disease that kills us since the day we were born. It's killing us every little second that passes on. Our cells go aging until they stop functioning. And that's why our heart stops beating, our brain stops functioning, and our skin, you know, gets like rusted, and our hair gets white. We need to find a cure for death. Who wants to live forever? Who wants to live forever? Maybe you don't want to live forever because you find life too like boring. Or maybe you are not content with your present situation. Perhaps you may change it, man. You know, because scientific knowledge is the tool that makes you capable of knowing real things while people are full of shit, you know. Okay, the chemical product car is passing by, go. Detergent, disinfectant, Fiboa, Ajax, coconut soap, chloride, liquid wax, acrylic paste. He's selling the chemical products, so the how I say, the wife housing door can be open, and people can clean their homes. Maybe I did something here that I was not supposed to say. But man, let's come back to the video, man. I was talking about AI, right? Artificial intelligence. While our telescopes, our earthly telescopes, are pointed toward space to capture a signal from extraterrestrial intelligent life. Now, my question is there any intelligent life on Earth, we are looking for intelligent life outside the Earth, across the universe. I believe the universe is steaming with intelligent life. Maybe they are dumb life too. But here on Earth, is there intelligent life? There is. Some people are very intelligent. I just mentioned the philosophers, Albert Einstein, and we have so many intelligent people. But our concept of intelligence may be delusional, because to the eyes of a much more, millions of billions of years more advanced civilization in the cosmos, we are maybe like children of we are just starting to know things. Our science, man, our science began 300 years ago. Our knowledge of things began so much earlier, but our science, our technical positivistic science, began 300 years ago. So we are still children of scientific knowledge, man. Yeah, the flying saucer has the answer for us, And my coffee cannot cool down or cool off. I don't know. Oh yes, baby. The birds are singing. That's how you say in English, singing? Maybe there is another word, I don't know. And I wanna finish this video saying one more thing. 2025 should be the year of a revolution. I would say a satanic revolution. It's dark here, man. Of course, I'm wearing shades. 2025 should be the year of a satanic revolution. I believe Christianity is living its remaining days, man. Christianity will die. All the religions, either all the religions are connected to the flying saucers, or they are all bullshit. The atheistic historian or philosopher or the critic or the rationalist says all religions are bullshit. The mystic, maybe the spiritualist, and some other people believe that maybe all religions are connected to each other, to some kind of advanced extraterrestrial civilization. I don't know, man. There's a flying saucer here in the block. I wish I could go back to July 7th, 1995, going against the special theory of relativity of Albert Einstein, and without creating a paradox, I would record myself bicycling my bike. I would record myself looking at the flying saucer, and I would record the flying saucer, and I would come back here to the present, and I would prove to the world that there is a flying saucer in the block. Time, what is time, man? Time, the past is dead. The future, it didn't come yet. The present is not the present is a continuous, the present is not. I say the present is not by fuckers.